Have you ever pondered the significance of digital literacy in our modern, interconnected world? In the era of information, understanding how to navigate the digital landscape has become as essential as reading and writing. Welcome to a deep dive into digital literacy, a critical skill set for the 21st century. Digital literacy encapsulates more than just the ability to use a computer or smartphone. It is the comprehensive understanding of how to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information using technology. It encompasses everything from understanding how to use a search engine, recognizing and avoiding online scams, to knowing how to create and share content responsibly. Now, imagine a world where everyone possesses these skills. That's a world where information flows freely, where people can connect across continents, where the digital divide no longer exists. That's the true potential of digital literacy. The first key element of digital literacy is information literacy. This involves the ability to identify the need for information and locate, evaluate, effectively use, and communicate information in various formats. It enables individuals to sift through the vast sea of information available online and find what's relevant, reliable, and useful. The second element is media literacy. Media literacy is the ability to critically analyze and create media. With the rise of social media platforms, understanding how media messages shape our culture and society has become extremely important. It's about understanding the context, intention, and potential impact of the media messages we consume and distribute. The third element, ICT literacy, stands for Information and Communication Technology Literacy. It refers to the ability to use digital technology, communication tools and networks to access, manage, integrate, and evaluate information, construct new knowledge, and communicate with others. Lastly, digital citizenship is the responsible use of technology by anyone who uses computers, the internet, and digital devices to engage with society on any level. It involves understanding the social, ethical, and legal issues related to digital environments. But why does digital literacy matter so much? In an increasingly digital world, being digitally literate means having the ability to participate fully in society. It's about being able to access services, express your views online, stay safe and maintain your privacy, and use technology to enhance your life and the lives of those around you. Digital literacy also fosters critical thinking. It enables individuals to question, research, and make informed decisions about the world around them. It empowers them to take control of their online presence and to use technology as a tool for personal, professional, and societal development. In summary, digital literacy is much more than just being able to use a computer. It's about understanding information, media, technology, and the ethical implications of our digital lives. It's about being able to navigate the digital world safely, responsibly, and effectively. So, as we move further into the digital age, it's vital for everyone to become digitally literate. The future is digital, and digital literacy is the key to unlocking that future. Remember, being digitally literate isn't just about personal gain. It's about contributing to a more connected, informed, and inclusive world. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand the importance of digital literacy. As we navigate the digital era, remember, the power lies in our hands. And with the right skills, we can use that power to shape a better future.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.